Hi guys, in this video for the PS5 safe mode, I will show you how to update the system software but using a USB flash drive. I will show you right now. So in order to do that, your USB must be formatted into the FAT32 or exFAT. But if a FAT32 was the best one, so you should format it. So I'll listen to me and follow these steps. Make sure your USB must be connected to your computer or your laptop. Okay, they told me there's a problem. Where's the notification? So let's try again. Okay, so no need. So in order to do that, make sure it's connected here. I'll say, okay, so what you want to do, go to www.playstation.com. Alright, now go to the official PlayStation.com. Now what you want to do is go to support, go to hardware, go to consoles, go to PS5 or PS4 because in the other way you can use the PS3. This is for PS3, PS4 and PS5. So for me, I have to update from my PS5, so I'll click PS5 for example. You can use any console. Okay, click PS5, click PS5 software updates. Go to update using computer. Then follow the on-screen instructions. Press this link. Then you will find the information. You can read this. It says whatever. Update update the system software using a PC or a Mac. They told me turn off your PS5. Well, my PS5 is in rest mode, so I have to turn off my PS5. Using a PC, I have my PC on it. Create a folder named PS5 on the USB flash drive. It must be formatted as FAT32 or exFAT. Inside a folder, create another folder named update. Make sure these are capitalized. Download the PS5 update file below and save it update folder. Save that as PS5 update.pup. If there's extra characters, just delete it. There must be approximately 1.1 gigabytes of free space. Plug in the USB drive containing the file onto your PS5. Start your PS5 in safe mode. Make sure that your PS5 must be turned off, not in rest mode. If you're in rest mode, you cannot enter the safe mode. Press and hold the power button, releasing after the second beep for at least 7 seconds later. Press system software update on the option number 4. Then go to the option number 1 from the update system software. Press update from USB drive. Then press OK and follow the on-screen instructions. If your PS5 does not recognize the file, double check the folder names in the file are correct, and the names are the capitalized and the file name, and then try again. If the process has failed, you will need to reinstall your PS5 system software. This happens because the system software is having some problems with your system software, or your data has been damaged, corrupted, lost, or you're having problems with your PS5, for example, like keep crashing or something. You have to reinstall your PS5 system software. So it did the same thing. Don't press this one. This because keep in keep this one. Do not do that. This is only for reinstallation. So for me, I'm going to use this. This is the update file, not the reinstallation. Press this. It will download. This might take a few minutes. Okay, once it's finished, I'll let you know because I'm going to fast forward. Stay tuned. Hi guys, so I'm gonna watch the video if you still don't understand. Oh, this one here. If you still don't understand what I'm talking, you can watch this video. I'll help you to watch the video.
Reinstalling system software may help if your PS5 console repeatedly shuts down games, shuts off unexpectedly, does not operate normally, or if you want to delete all user data and continue with a fresh system software installation. Please be aware that reinstalling system software will delete all data on your PS5 console's internal storage and should be considered a last resort after other troubleshooting has not resolved your issue. If you have an M.2 SSD installed in your console, game data stored there will not be affected by reinstalling system software. Be prepared to sign in with the account you use on PlayStation Network after doing this. You may want to create a backup of your PS5 console before reinstallation, which will allow you to restore user profiles, games, and save data after reinstallation. If you're a PlayStation Plus member, you can upload your saved game data to cloud storage and then download it after reinstallation. Here's how to download and prepare the reinstallation version of system software. You'll need a USB device that can be connected to your PS5 console and your computer, and that has at least 2 GB of space available. The USB device must be in a FAT32 format. Create a folder named PS5 at the root level of your USB device. Create a second folder inside the PS5 folder and name it Update. Both folder names must be in all capital letters. Go to www.playstation.com/system-software on your computer's web browser. Scroll past the PS5 console update and download the PS5 console reinstallation file. Both files have the same name, so be sure to get the reinstallation version. Put the file inside the update folder. Make sure the file name is ps5update.pup in all capital letters. If your computer adds extra numbers or characters to the file name, you should remove them. If you have a USB device connected to your PS5 console for extended storage, you should disconnect it. Otherwise, reinstallation will not be possible. Do this by going to Settings, Storage, USB Extended Storage, and selecting Safely Remove from PS5. Then physically disconnect the extended storage drive when the console notifies you it's safe to do so. Now it's time to put the PS5 console into safe mode and perform the reinstallation. If the PS5 is powered on, turn it off by pressing and holding the power button until the system beeps twice, and then wait until all system lights have turned off. Power up your PS5 console in safe mode by holding down the power button until the system beeps twice. This takes 7 or 8 seconds. Connect the USB device that contains the console reinstallation file to your PS5 using one of the USB ports on the back of the console. Connect your controller to the front of the PS5 using a USB cable and press the PS button. Using the directional buttons, select Reset PS5 Reinstall System Software. Select OK. The console should detect the update file after a minute or 2. Select Yes to delete all data from your PS5 and reinstall system software. If the update file isn't detected, it's usually because it's not in the correctly named file folders. Review the instructions earlier in this video and follow them carefully. Reinstallation will take a few minutes, and then your PS5 console will restart as if you'd just taken it out of the box for the first time. Follow the on-screen instructions. Sign in with your account, and then you can download or install games. If you created a system backup, this is what you should restore using that backup. And that's how you can reinstall system software on a PS5 console.
Okay, for PS4 users who want to update using the USB flash drive, I will show you the video right now. For PS5 users who don't understand still, just redo my video again, then you will understand. Okay, right there, let's go press the PS4. Okay, I couldn't find the video, so I'm going to check it right now. I'm going to do the off camera now. Here we go.
If your PS4 system starts up in safe mode with
Whoa. Calm down. This isn't right. Okay, let me change this the back play speed. And the captions are small. Okay. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1, go.
If your PS4 system starts up in safe mode with directions to connect a USB storage device, it means you need to reinstall the system software. This is only recommended for systems that cannot start normally because it will delete all data from the hard drive. You will need a computer that's connected to the internet and a USB flash drive or a thumb drive that's in FAT32 or exFAT format that has at least 1.1 gigabytes of free space. Go to www.playstation.com and open the Help menu at the top. Select System Software, followed by PS4. Scroll down past the current system software release to find the PS4 Complete System software file and download the file. Connect your USB storage device to the computer. Create a folder named PS4 on the device. Make an Update folder inside the PS4 folder. Copy the software file into the Update folder. Make sure the file is named ps4update.pup because your computer might add extra characters you'll need to delete. The names of the file and the folders must be in all capital letters. Connect the USB device to your PS4 system. Select OK and follow the directions to reinstall the system software. If the file cannot be found, you should double-check that the file and folders are named correctly in all capital letters and then try again. If the PS4 does not support the USB device's file system, you'll need to reformat the device as exFAT or FAT32 before following these directions again.
Okay, so that's how you do. For PS3 users who want to restore, for those who want to update system software, but I couldn't find the reinstallation of the system software. Well, unfortunately, we couldn't find this one here. So these videos is going to help you. It's the video called the channel about everything, and then this one too. This one. Okay, so it will now go to this here. Let's go to this one here. Yes. Ignore one of these options.
Option doesn't resolve your issue, then you will have to send the PS3 system in to be serviced by an authorized technician. Click the link at the bottom of this video to learn about
Ignore
service
that.
options. The last remaining option on the Safe Mode menu is called System Update. You should use this option if you're unable to update your PS3 system from the XMB, or if your system shuts down during a system update. Before you can use this option, you will have to download system update data and store it on a USB storage device. This will require a personal computer that has internet access, a USB storage device that has at least 110 megabytes of available storage space. Using a PC, you must create a folder named PS3 on your USB storage device. Create another new folder inside the PS3 folder, and name the second folder Update. Make sure the names for both folders are in uppercase letters. Next, open a web browser and go to us.playstation.com. Scroll down the page and click on the link for the latest PS3 system update. Click the Download Now link on the next page. Save the PS3 system update data to your USB device in the Update folder. Insert the USB device that contains update data into your PS3 system. Enter Safe Mode and select option 6, System Update. When prompted, you must press the Start and Select buttons at the same time to begin the update process. It will take a minute or so for the PS3 system to prepare the update data. A minute or so later, you will be prompted to read through the user agreement and accept it before you can begin the update process. If you agree with these terms, press the right directional button to advance to the next screen. There you can select Accept and press the X button. When you see the screen that warns you not to turn off power during the system update, then you can press the X button to begin updating your system. If the update process completes successfully, then you will be returned to the XMB menu afterward. If your PS3 system is not able to complete the system update, then it's recommended that you try Safe Mode option 3, Restore File System. If that doesn't allow your system to restart normally, then it's recommended that you try option 5, Restore PS3 System. So now you know how some of the options in Safe Mode may be used to restore functionality to a PS3 system that cannot start up normally.
Okay, so that's all. The PS2 and PS1 users who want to update are not available. Okay, so it seems that the update is complete. So let's go to the File Explorer. So let's go create a folder. Let's go from my USB. Okay, so the video said, I have to create a folder. Name PS5. So I have to use the all capitalized letters. Okay. Then I'll create another folder. Name Update. Update. Okay. Once you're in, now you can go to this one here. Now go over there and switch there. Okay, it will copy the item, so please be patient. I'll press more details. Okay, it will now prompt it to there. So it will take about 2 minutes, so don't worry about that, guys. This will take a moment to depend how much the data is stored on this update file. If you still don't understand the video, I will give you this not for PlayStation, another YouTuber for the PlayStation who is very good. I will get the link description below for the PS3, PS4, and PS5. For those of you who want PS4 and PS5, I couldn't find the other YouTubers, but I have only one PS5. But for PS4, I couldn't find it, so it'll be stayed as PlayStation. For PS5, it'll be the same as PS3, but in different way. Okay, it's about to be ready. During the copying of this update, do not unplug your USB, because if you unplug it, then the progress will reset and you have to redo again. Okay, I should find there is no extra characters, and this file is supposed to be in the capital. Okay, we have a minute and a half left. Don't worry, guys. No, it's about to finish. Okay, we have only like a few more percent left. We have only we have only 30 percent left. Okay, do not click anything. Okay, do not press X. If you press X, the progress will reset. If you press accidentally, try again. Okay. And the folders, in these two folders, the name should be in all capitalized, not lowercase. Not only just the first letter, just only the all letters, okay? Even the file. Okay, the copying process is about to finish, and then we will go to my room to get my PS5. This will be a very long video process, so don't worry. Okay, once the copy process is okay, alright, it's finished. Now I have to double check the folder. Okay, we got the folder name PS5 update PS5 update.pup. Okay, let's check if there's any let's see if there's any extra characters. There's no any extra characters. It is safe to unplug your USB drive. Okay, now I have to turn on my PS5. So let's get ready. Alright, so I'm in my room with my PS5 right there. I don't know, I'm in the rest mode already. I don't know. I'm going to turn on that PS5. And now I use my controller. I have my USB here. Okay. Okay. My parent console storage. Okay, so just because the electricity just went off. Okay, now it's turning on. Your PS5 wasn't turned off properly. Before unplugging the NEC power board, press down normal. Okay, not big deal. Okay, now I'm going to connect my USB storage device in the back of the console. Okay, I'm going to get my USB storage device right there. Okay, so it's right there. Now I have plugged into my USB storage device right there. Alright, so let's go to the storage media. Going to settings, I'm going to find if it's working. Updates the system software. Update from USB drive. Okay, so it detects that there is. So we're going to go into the safe mode. So because I have some corrupted. So I'm going to update my data again. I'm going to turn off my PS5. Make sure your PS5 has been turned off. Okay, so wait until the light is off, is gone. Okay, now I'm going to turn on the PS5 in safe mode. I'm going to get the my USB. Okay, I found my USB. I'm going to turn on the safe mode. Press and hold the power button until you hear 2 beeps for at least 7 seconds. That's 1 beep. Another beep, then let it go. The safe mode will now be shown here. It says here, connect the controller using a USB cable and then press the PS button. So I'm going to press this. And press the PS button. Alright, now you have 8 options. Now I'm going to do option number 4. You cannot use the analog stick, just the D-pad. So what I'm going to do, you have to go to option number 4, update system software. Okay, I'm going to arrange my camera. I'm going to arrange it. No focus. Yes, there we go. You can see me right there, so I'm going to arrange the camera. Okay, press X. Now you have 2 options, update from USB drive or update using internet. So I'm going to the update from USB drive, press X. They will now ask you to confirm to connect a USB flash drive. Okay, I'm going to press OK because I already did that. Please wait. Alright there, the console should detect it if there's an update. Alright, my console detect that there is a data, so I did it correctly. If the error has occurred, for example, if the update file cannot be found, you have to double check for those folders, and if there's extra characters, you need to delete them and use all capital letters and then try again. Okay, so for me, there's no any error. If your PS5 does not support the file system, you need to reformat from exFAT or FAT32. So, and then follow the directions again. Okay, so I don't have any errors, so they told me, it asked me to confirm that the PS5 system software will be updated. Your PS5 will restart and start the update for this version. Okay, so I'm going to press update. It says to me, copying the update file. And the update is going very fast. So if you want to use the internet, it's also fine, but it might be very slow if you have any if their connection is very bad. Okay, so this will take a long time. I mean, this will take a moment depending on the storage. I mean, this will take a while. Okay, do not press cancel. If you press cancel, the progress bar will reset and you have to redo again. If you use the internet, that's fine, but it might be very long. So don't worry. I think this one's the best option. Do not turn off your PS5 for insert or eject discs. Okay. Okay. And now prompt me in to install. Installing. Do not turn off your PS5. Do not insert or eject discs. Okay. After installation is complete, you'll start another installation, which is installing the update file. Okay, now my PS5 is going to restart. Yep. Okay. Alright, it told me please wait. Do not turn off anything. It says to me, after installation is complete, your PS5 will automatically restart. Installing the update file. Do not turn off your PS5. Don't insert or eject discs. make sure you do not press anything on your PS5. Okay, if the system update is complete, you're good to go. If your PS5 says something went wrong after installation is complete, it's most likely that your PS5 is not working or you have bricked. So you have to reinstall the system software. Only for recommended. If you want to reinstall system software, this is only for recommended. That is for PS5. They cannot start up normally. If your PS5 cannot start up normally, you have to reinstall the system software. Alright, the installation is complete and PS5 should restart once again. Okay. Alright, your PS5 their console would reboot. Alright, so that is it. That's how you can install the update using the USB flash drive. I hope you enjoy our video. If you have any more questions, just let me know in the comments. If it's still not working, re-watch the video again, then follow these instructions again. Bye guys, see you next time.